Alright, this kitchen was a mess. Stuff from the storeroom. Random clothes, basically everything except peace and order. So I started sorting things out. A few things went back where they belong, and the rest straight to the bin, ruthless. I was in my declutter or die trying era. Then on to the dishes. The never-ending dishes. I swear they multiply when I turn my back. But I powered through, washed, rinsed, survived. Next, wipe down all the surfaces. Goodbye crumbs, goodbye sticky mystery spots. Then I looked down. And yeah, the floor was tragic. Swept up a full dust colony, picked up the last stubborn bits. And then grabbed my flash disposable mop for the grand finale. Instant sparkle, instant satisfaction. And just like that, clean kitchen, clear mind, and the illusion that I've got my life together, at least until dinner.